In a world with many wonderful things like true love and the joy a good sandwich brings, they say it doesn't get much better than being free and having stacks of money. Then along comes Tenacious D. They're gonna feed you when you don't know you're hungry with the greatest thing in the world, Festival Supreme. Come on, team, it's Festival Supreme, the amalgamation of the American dream. A show so 5 thumbs up, it'll raise your self-esteem. All hail the D and Festival Supreme. Love coming out our eyes like a laser beam, so extreme. Tell your buddy Raheem, it's Festival Supreme. Yo, this festival, it's the best of all. Comedy's about to go down. Hope your abs is tight, cause they gon' work out, aight? This here's Jack and Kyle Town. Boinka, boinka, chicka, chicka, boinka, boinka, chicka, chicka. This is straight heaven, son. Boinka, boinka, chicka, chicka, boinka, boinka. So sick of so many A-list acts, I'm done. Oh. Tippy toes or heels, dude, get on your feet. This ace of a lineup can't be beat. All hail the D and Festival Supreme. So many funny hot ladies you could make your queen. Nah, I mean, tell your gal pal Shaheen, it's Festival Supreme. Festival Supreme. Festival Supreme.